Not fishing? Oh! 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 Got one! Got one! There you are. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Stop the motor! Stop the motor! That was a good one.
You want me to spot lock it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh! This is a different one.
Got him.
Oh, it's just a northern.
Yep.
I'll take it though. It's a fish.
Yep.
Oh. 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 Yep. It's a little guy. I'll just. Oh.
Want me to get him?
Yeah, sure. Oh. There we go. There we go. Oh! Yep, that might be one. Nope, pike. Yeah. There we go. Well, guys, I have to say this is the best catch of the day. Well, and worst.
Yeah. They have no restrictions on like.
Oh, I got something.
What you do? You hog tied him, whatever you have.
Oh.
Northern. That's not net him, Kurt.
Right.
Yeah, you just
You can.
shake with it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's usually a big weed bed in here. Yeah, you tried.
Like there's this weeds like underneath my lure.
Yeah, watch, you're coming right over tonight. Oh, here comes the musky. Real faster, real faster, real faster, real faster, faster, faster.
Oh my.
Faster, he's coming faster, faster.
I can't.
Get ready to do a figure eight or like a horse track.
Oh, he's.
Good job, buddy.
He just swam off.
Well, he was part of my situation.
I think he swiped at it for a second there.
Yep.
That is pretty cool.
It's pretty cool, all right.
Got one. Get the net. I don't know. Oh, it's a good smallmouth. Ooh.
Okay, just take your time with the drag with.
Oh, come on. Oh, this is a good one. Oh my. Get it, get it, get it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's gotta be a PB,
That
buddy.
might be a trophy. Holy crap. Oh my gosh.
That took you to
Wait.
the right spot, huh?
Holy crap.
Huh?
Oh my. Look at this. That's a trophy. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Yep.
Ned rig right in.
That might be about an 18.
Oh, I think it's bigger than that.
Might be, buddy.
Okay. There we go. Got one.
Not as big.
Nope.
It's a smallie.
Still a really nice one.
Yeah, he's putting up a good fight.
There we go. That's a 17 and a half.
You get him?
There we go.
All right. Good job. That's two.
Yep. Look at that. Oh, hook came right out.
You want-
Here we go. Oh.
What?
Holy crap.
What?
Look at that.
Oh, somebody else that got him.
No, it's a crawfish and it's still alive.
Oh my God, it is. Oh, let it go. That's his food.
Oh my. Oh, there we go, guys. Swam up.
There you go.
Got one.
All right. In the net?
Yeah. Feels weird. Oh, it's a good one.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There we go. Another nice one.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oops.
Told you I could put you on some of them in here.
Yeah,
Huh?
it's a good one.
18, I'd say, huh?
Yep. There we go.
Saving those pictures, huh?
There it goes. Got one. It's a little guy.
Yeah, it's okay.
Still somehow putting up a big fight though.
No, you do.
Okay.
Oh, I'm even smaller than one I caught. So how many we caught today?
4.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, got one. Oh my gosh. Look at this little guy.
Walleye.
Yep, first walleye of 2023. There we go.
All right.
Look at that walleye, guys.
See that? They don't affect each other. Well, that's funny.
Oh, I have something small.
Something in it?
Yeah. Oh, it's a little northern.
Oh.
There's a cat.
Oh, got something.
Well, somebody wants to.
I just handle them by hand.